Hi, I'm Jay. Welcome to smarthelping.com. We have a real estate checklist template here. It's for people buying and selling real estate. It's for buyers, sellers, and agents, buying agent, selling agent, and documents. So I've created a cool checklist format. It's printable. Um, Note, once you access this sheet to actually have your own editable version, hit File and make a copy, and that will give you that. Let's talk about each the tab layout in general. So for here, we're saying these are all the things you need to look at if you're buying real estate, and you can check these off. Some are commercial, some are, uh, uh, just general things. You can edit this list. You can delete rows, add rows, whatever you want to do. If you want to add stuff, you just highlight and drag down, whoop, like that. It's very easy. Or if you want to delete rows, you can highlight, right-click, delete. Um, and you can edit these, however you want to put whatever you want to put for these. But I've done research to figure out specific items, so these are pretty specific. But again, everyone's different, so you might have different terms or different labels for things. That's fine. The point is, each one's a separate list. You can check this off. As you check it off, you can see here, this is going to count your total items. This is going to count your total items that are checked. This is going to give you a percentage that you're complete. So you can change these here. Now, there's a very good reason why this is done in Google Sheets. It's because Excel is really, really bad at check marks. It's really bad. So the user interface with Google Sheets, and this is very easy. Google Sheets is also free for anybody. You just make a free Google account and you can use this. Um, so yeah, that's why it's in Google Sheets. It's just very easy. You can also share it. There's a lot of permissioning you can do with Google Sheets that's dynamic. Multiple people can work on the same sheet if you want, or you can make as many copies of it as you want. So there, as long as you have a web browser. And you can use it in your phone too, or on a desktop. Okay, so that's it. Sellers, all these items are different. Here's the seller's items, here's the buying agent items, seller agent items, and then just general documents. And there could be more here. Like here, I just put in loan documents, check mark. But you might have, more than one loan document that needs to be signed. You can add those below it, check them off as they are, and then when they're completed, you could check off the total loan documents row as well. Or however you want to structure it's fine. The point is you have items in column A, you can check them off as they're done in column B, and then this shows you your summary. You can also put some notes in here. Now to print it, what you can do is go to File, Download, and then go to PDF, and you can see here it's going to print. I made it so it'll fit in a nice 8.5 by 11 portrait, just like this. And when you do, you go to Export, and then you can just print the PDF. What else? Oh, and if you want more real estate templates, my main work is involved in underwriting deals and building financial models for that. So I've got a lot of templates. If you go to smarthelping.com under the real estate section, you'll see, um, I've got a lot of specifics. So Airbnbs, assisted living. I've got general joint venture cash flow waterfall hurdle templates with IRR hurdles, hotel underwriting, mixed use, mobile home park, multifamily, preferred equity and return general templates, preferred return with simple interest, property management business, real estate brokerage, real estate development, general rental property ROI, self-storage, seller financing templates for amortization, short-term rental, unit-based acquisition model, value-add real estate. So I do a lot of custom work for a lot of different real estate firms. And based on all that work over the years, I've developed some general templates, and that's how that's how I've built all of these things. You can buy the whole bundle for $310, or you can buy templates individually, depending on what you need. And if you do buy the bundle, you pay once. You can access anything I ever add to the bundle in the future, or any updates to any of these templates. Alrighty, well, that's all I got for you. Check out smarthelping.com for more. I've got all kinds of things, not just related to real estate. I've got a lot of startup financial models. I've got well over 100 templates here for all kinds of different things. You can buy everything on the site as well for $9.99 if you want that. And again, pay once, access forever. There's just a lot of stuff here that I've built. I've organized it. It's very nice, very valuable. Well, that's about it. I'll see you guys on the next one.